Today we are going to learn linear inequations. Solve the inequation given below and represents its solution set on a number line. They have given an inequation, we have to solve and again represent on number line also. First problem, 2 plus 4x less than 2x minus 5 less than 3x, where x belongs to I means integers. So make it two parts. 2 plus 4x less than 2x minus 5 is one part. Next part is 2x minus 5 less than 3x. This is one inequation. From here this is another inequation. Make it two parts and do separately. Now x coefficients, x terms 1 and constant the other side. So 4x minus 2x less than minus 5 plus 2 going from that side minus 2. 4x minus 2x is 2x less than minus 7. Minus 2 minus 5 plus minus 2 is minus 7. So x less than minus 7 by 2. X less than minus 3.5. Coming to the next. 2x minus 3x less than 5. Minus x here less than 5. We want positive, not negative. X we want. So complete inequation sign changes. Minus becomes plus, less than becomes greater than, plus 5 becomes minus 5. Here you have to be careful. The complete inequation changes and we want positive x. Now combine these two. Minus 5 less than x less than minus 3.5. In such a way you have to join. So solution set is equal to x belongs to I. X belongs to I such that minus 5 less than x less than minus 3.5. This is the way of combining after doing problem. X belongs to. Now, so what answer will come? That is equal to minus 4 and again what will come? 3.5 is there. So only minus 4 because integers, integers. So represent on number line 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, so on. So here minus 4 is there. Keep a solid ring. That's all. To represent, this is the way of representing on a number line. Second problem. Solve the inequation and represent on number line. Here they have given an equation minus 2 by 3 less than or equal to x plus 1 by 3 less than 3 1 by 3 where x belongs to real numbers. So make it into two parts. Minus 2 by 3 less than or equal to x plus 1 by 3. First one. Next again x plus 1 by 3 less than 3 1 by 3. Now this is in a mixed change into improper fraction. 3 to 6 7 8 minus 8 by 3 less than or equal to x plus 1 by 3. Minus 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3 less than or equal to x. 3 is the LCM. Minus 8 minus 1 less than or equal to x. Minus 9 by 3 less than or equal to x. 3 goes in 9 3 times. So minus 3 less than or equal to x. One part completed. Coming to the next part. X less than x plus 1 by 3 less than 3 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 10 by 3. So x less than 10 by 3 plus going that side minus. So minus 1 by 3. X less than, here LCM is 3. 10 minus 1. X less than 9 by 3. 3 goes in 9 3 times. So x less than 3. Now combine. Now combine this solution set. Solution set is equal to x belongs to real numbers such that minus 3 less than or equal to x less than 3. This is the way of writing in set builder form. Now write in roster form. What numbers will come? Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. They are asking to represent on number line. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. This side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, so on. Now x belongs to real numbers. Minus 3 less than or equal to means this should be solid, because minus 3 also includes. So this is solid ring. And here we did not write 3, less than 3. Here 3 will not come, up to near 3 it will come. So that we should be halo ring. This is solid ring, this is halo ring. And all the numbers between, these all are real numbers. R, this all number comes. Before integers, just we kept solid ring for all the numbers. But here you have to think, here less than or equal to 3, so the minus 3 also included. Here 3 is not, which is included solid ring, which will not include halo ring. Keep in mind. This is very important to be remembered, this point. Third problem. Solve the inequation and represent on number line 11x minus 4 less than 15x plus 4 less than or equal to 13x plus 14, where x belongs to W, means whole numbers. Now 11x minus 4 less than 15x plus 4, one part. Next one, 15x plus 4 less than or equal to 13x plus 14. Now 11x minus 15x less than 4 plus 4, minus coming from left to right, plus. So here minus 4x less than 8. Here minus x less than 8 by 4. Here only you will do mistake. Should not bring minus 4. This is inequation, not equation. If it is equation, we will bring minus 4. Are you able to follow? So be careful here. Minus x you have to write here. 4 goes 2 times. So minus x less than 2 we got. We want x, not minus x. So the complete inequation you have to change. Minus x becomes plus x, less than becomes greater than, plus 2 becomes minus 2. So you have to be careful here. So now write minus 2 less than x. Read from this side. Minus 2 less than x. This you have to write. Now coming to the next part. 15x plus, coming from this side, minus 13x less than or equal to 14, plus going from here to that side minus 4, left to right. So 2x less than or equal to 10. Why 10? 14 minus 4 is 10. X less than or equal to 10 by 2. How many times it goes? 5 times. So x less than or equal to 5. Now write the solution set. Solution set. Solution set is equal to x belongs to whole numbers, where minus 2 less than x less than or equal to 5. Whole number starts from where? 0 onwards. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 also will be included. Why? Less than or equal to. If it is less than 5, up to 4 only we have ready. You have to see this one also carefully. Now represent on number line also. Number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. -1, -2, -3, so on. Now 0 onwards. 0 solid rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 solid rings you have to keep. The problem, given P is equal to set x such that 5 less than 2x minus 1 less than or equal to 11 where x belongs to real numbers, and Q is equal to set x such that minus 1 less than or equal to 3 plus 4x less than 23 where x belongs to integers. Two sets they have given, one is P, one is Q. Represent P and Q on number line. Find P intersection Q. Now first we will solve P. What is P? P they have given as x such that 5 less than 2x minus 1 less than or equal to 11 where x belongs to real numbers. Make it into two parts. 5 less than 2x minus 1 one part, 2x minus 1 less than or equal to 11 another part. Now 5 plus 1 less than 2x, 6 less than 2x, 6 by 2 less than x. This 2 goes in 6 3 times. 3 less than x. Coming to here, 2x less than or equal to 11 plus 1, 2x less than or equal to 12, x less than or equal to 12 by 2 goes 6 times, 2 goes in 12, 6 times, x less than or equal to 6. Now combine. P is equal to solution set x belongs to real numbers such that 3 less than x less than or equal to 6. Now write what numbers will come. So P is equal to 4, 5, 6, 4 comma 5 comma 6. 3 will not come because 3 less than is there. So now we got P. They are asking to represent our number line also. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. -1, -2, -3, so on. So 4, 5, 6. Are you able to follow? Now this is the way of representing. Q is equal to x such that -1 less than or equal to 3 plus 4x less than 23 where x belongs to I. So -1 less than or equal to 3 plus 4x less than 23. This also make it into two parts. -1 less than or equal to 3 plus 4x one part. Next 3 plus 4x less than 23. Now bring -1 -3 here, plus 3 comes this side, -3 less than or equal to 4x, -4 less than or equal to 4x, -4 by 4 less than or equal to x, 4 goes in 4 one time, -x less than or equal to x. Coming to here, 4x less than 23 minus 3, plus 3 goes that side, -3, 4x less than 20, x less than 20 by 4, 4 goes 5 times, so x less than 5. Now write the solution set. So solution set, what is that one? X belongs to I such that -1 less than or equal to x less than 5. So what numbers will come? This is Q. Q is equal to -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 will not come up to that one. So now represent on number line. You have to represent on number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now minus 1, minus 2. So integers. So minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is a way of representing on number line. Next, now they are asking to find P intersection Q. In before problem we got P as 4, 5, 6. And now we got intersection. What we got? Minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we got. Now here what is the intersection means? 4. 4 is repeated. 4. Here 5 is not. Only 4. Intersection. Only 4 is there. Here 4 is there. There also 4. So on intersection is 4. If they ask union, write all from minus 1 to 6. If they ask union. Here they ask only intersection. 4 is repeated. 4 belongs to both the sets. P and Q.